Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Spice Factors. Today we will cook yummy creamy boneless chicken handi. So firstly we need to slice to medium-sized onions. Pour 1.5 cups of water in cooking pot. Then add sliced onions in the pot. Put it on medium flame. Now we will take 500 grams of chicken breasts. And with the help of knife we will slice it into cubes. So here we have spices that we will use. Half teaspoon of whole spice powder, or we call it garam masala. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. Half cup or 125 grams of yogurt. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 4 tablespoons of cream. 15 to 20 almonds. Now our onions have started to turn transparent, so we will turn off the flame. We have now put those transparent onion with water into a blender. We will blend it and make a smooth paste of it. Now we will pour half cup of oil into the cooking pot. Now we will add that onion paste which we blended. We will add ginger garlic paste. We will mix it a little. One tablespoon of julienne sliced ginger. We will add julienne sliced ginger in the pot. Now we will add chicken which we sliced into cubes earlier. Now we will add our spices. Coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric and salt. Mix all the spices evenly. Now whisk the yogurt so that it becomes smooth. Add whisked yogurt into the chicken gravy. Mix it well. Two tablespoons of chili garlic sauce. Add chili garlic sauce. Put the pot in medium flame. Now we will grind these almonds. Almonds will turn into fine powder form. Add grind the almonds into the chicken gravy. Mix it well. Close lid and cook on medium flame. Slice to green chilies. Add green chilies. Now we will add 4 tablespoons of cream. Add whole spice powder or garam masala in it. Turn off the flame. Mix it well. Gravy will start to turn in cream color. Our creamy boneless chicken handi is ready to be served.